Gregory James Givler, Advanced Visual Frameworks. I'm going to load my iPad run first for the week 4 project, and let's do this. Made quite a few changes from the week 3 project to this one, not too many, but try to make it more appealing to the user. So there's the load, and this is with the network on first. I will load it, and it will bring up the main interface, and there's a short description of the astronomy picture of the day and a button. If you want more info, click that button rather than the whole view I had last time. You click the button and it'll take you to the astronomy picture of the day, which sometimes takes a second load. There it is. Nice beautiful picture of galaxies and stars and all that good stuff. And the description, I was trying to get it to work, the scroll view, just to work on this, but as soon as I added it, it pushed it way down, and I tried to do a bunch of changes here and there, and it didn't work correctly. So I actually just left it this way because it seemed to work correctly. So, and if we go back, you see all these tabs here. You know, each one is a different sound that you'll be able to hear, and you click on it.
Liftoff of mission 41D, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
So I did make the title bigger of font. I had to get rid of the layout for each individual view because it just like wouldn't work this way. It was more aligned to like all the title heads are aligned, all the posts are aligned. I made the post smaller, but then I ran into a problem with, there it is, with longer names. And I was trying to do a substring where it only showed shorter names, but it came out kind of funky, and I didn't really like doing it. But as you can see, all the sounds work. All the sounds work.
Discovery, nominal MECO, ohms 1 not required.
And here's another one.
Discovery, Houston, recommend vector transfer to the BFS.
So that all works correctly. So I'll take it off the network because I found out later that the sound shouldn't play and the picture should not be there. So I turn off the network. So now there is no network on the iPad. Reload, or I have to quit out. I forgot about that. I got to quit out of it first. Reload it, and you'll be prompted with this error. You're not connecting to network. Please connect to update. So we hit OK. And as you know, Jennifer, that we couldn't, the picture kept showing up anyways, so I put in code. So when you do go to it, it will show that picture instead. I know we were both thinking that it should have been fine the way it was, so I just put if the network isn't online, show this picture, and the sounds will not play. And I apologize for the sound up there. But yeah, now I will show my Android build, which you know has some bugs in it and that kind of thing, but I will still try to show it to the best of my abilities. So here is my Android build. You know, there was a lot of bugs involved, but I still feel like I need to put it in the video. So I will load Google Nexus 7 and hit run. I don't know why there were so many bugs. For some reason it was getting overloaded. you know that, Jennifer, and that kind of thing. It might just be Genymotion. I'm not sure. We try to up the memory. So I apologize for any bugs that may come up. I know my code works, but sometimes Genymotion just doesn't want to work. So it's going to load the application. And it does all that nonsense. And I had to move some stuff around. I had to do if statements on the interface page right here to make this all fit in, because of course it doesn't want to work all the way across. For some reason the background image isn't on there. Don't know why, so we'll play a sound though. And it stopped. I don't know why it does that. Anyways, besides functionality, let's, as soon as I try to go here, it quits out. Might work this time, who knows? No, it didn't. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that I did, go through the, I guess I wouldn't call it hassle, but to make a workable Android app. And these should all have background images in them, and it's just not wanting to cooperate with me. But everything's supposed to work.
Space Shuttle Discovery.
Okay, there's a sound.
Still on its way to orbit after a successful ascent up through main engine cutoff.
So I'm not going to try to load the not on the network with this, because then it might just be pointless. But yeah, that's week 4 project, and awesome class, Jennifer. I hope we'll work more in the future. Thank you.